What's up, guys? Welcome to another lesson of today. Okay, welcome. All right. So today I want to do the second part of the tutorial I make on the African MAKOSSA leaks. Okay, so if you've not watched the first video, you see it on the screen there. You see it on the screen there. So you go and watch it, the first part of it. Okay, I believe it will help you and also enhance your playing as well. Okay, so I promise you guys I'm going to do the second part of the leaks I played. So just get a good look of what I played. Okay, then I will show you what I played there. But before then, I want you to, if you know you are new here and this is your first time watching my video, please I would like you to subscribe. Okay, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my video. And if you know you've not turned on the notification bell in my channel, just go into the description box. Okay, you will see my YouTube channel link. Then you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Okay, all right. Let's go straight to the video. Okay. Look at the part, the second leaks I played there. Okay. So, actually, I was playing in the key of E. Okay, that is a 1, 4, 5, 4. Okay, so the second licks I was playing there was something like. What am I playing? Playing from the so, la, ti, la, so, re. So, la, ti, la, so, re. So at first you need to know that this is your key of E in the third string, okay? Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi. Do, ti, la, so. Okay? So I was playing. So la ti la so re. So la ti la so mi. But you slide it a little. Okay. Okay, so the second one, then I now went down and played the same thing. sol, la. Re, mi, re, ti, sol, la. Ti, sol, re. Do, 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 re, mi, do, do, do. Okay? Then I play something like this. Okay, that is so, re, mi, so, re, mi, so, re, mi. Okay? So, re, mi, so, re, mi, so, re, mi. But I'm on it, understand? I harmon it with the mi, from the re to the mi, I harmon it. Mi, re, do, do. And I play again. Okay, so now start from do 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 re mi so mi re ti so do 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 re do 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 re mi so. Okay, la ti so la ti so la ti so. Okay, so now play something like this again, the fourth lick there. Okay, so la. So la so fa la re. So la so fa la so re. Okay. 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 So re do la re ti so re. So re no. Okay. So that is the basics. Just work on the video. Get a background beat, or yes, get a background beat, a MAKOSSA beat. Okay, if you don't have one, I can get it for you on in a very low amount. Okay, because I bought mine from the studio. So if you need it, I'm gonna send it that to your email or your WhatsApp. Okay, so give a subscribe button if you like this video, smash the like button, give a comment down below. All right, so see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.